Welcome to the Eyes on the Sky series, an update about current astronomy, space science, and sky events. I'm Hudson Valley Community College astronomer Richard Monda, and this is Eyes on the Sky for August 2018. The moon starts the month in its waning gibbous phase and against the stars of the autumn zodiac. Around midnight on August 1st, the moon is over 80% lit and is on the border between Aquarius and Pisces. Above it are the stars that make the circlet of Pisces the fish. Over the next few days, the moon's phase decreases as it glides along the lower region of Pisces. The moon reaches last quarter on the afternoon of August 4th. Before sunrise on the morning of August 5th, the moon is a wide crescent and about to enter the winter constellation of Taurus the Bull. By the 6th, the moon is next to the Hyades, the star cluster that makes the face of Taurus. Then on the 7th, a thinning lunar crescent is next to the bull's lower horn. New moon occurs on the morning of August 11th at 5:58 a.m. On August 12th, the moon sets a little after 9 p.m., and that sets us up for a moonless night for the peak of the Perseid meteor shower. The Perseids are icy particles left behind in the path of Comet Swift-Tuttle. When these fragments plow into Earth's atmosphere at hundreds of thousands of miles per hour, the surrounding air is heated hot enough to glow, and we see these trails of light as shooting stars in the sky. To see any meteor shower well, dark skies and clear weather are essential. Sitting in a reclining lawn chair is helpful because it minimizes neck strain and allows you to see the greatest extent of the sky. On the evening of August 13th, the waxing crescent moon is easily visible in the west, to the right of Venus. Venus has been in our evening sky since early March. Throughout the spring, its altitude when it first became visible has been increasing. However, since early June, Venus has been getting gradually lower at first sight. Nonetheless, it will continue to brighten through late September. Use a telescope to see Venus go through its phases. On the 14th, the waxing crescent moon is above Venus, and on the 15th, it's above the blue-white star Spica, the brightest star of Virgo. Then on the evening of August 16th, we'll see the lunar crescent to the west of Jupiter, and the next evening to the east of the planet. The moon reaches first quarter on August 18th. By the 20th, the moon, now in its waxing gibbous phase, is positioned to the west of Saturn, and the next evening to the east of this planet. August 21st is the first anniversary of the Great American Solar Eclipse, when over 100 million of us looked through safe solar eclipse glasses to see the moon hide part of the sun. About 10 million people saw the moon completely cover the sun and experienced a total solar eclipse, one of the most dramatic and beautiful heavenly sights that can be observed. The next total eclipse of the sun in the United States will take place in less than 6 years. On April 8, 2024, totality will track through Dallas, Texas, again through Carbondale, Illinois, and then into western New York State, immersing both Buffalo and Rochester in the dark inner shadow of the moon. Don't throw out those solar eclipse glasses yet. On both the evenings of August 22nd and August 23rd, the gibbous moon will appear in the vicinity of Mars. Mars, like all the 5 naked-eye planets, appears as a star to our eyes. When we see Mars in the night sky, its star-like appearance usually has a reddish-orange glow, but not this year. A dust storm started on Mars in mid-June and has been spreading across the red planet. Now Mars has a slightly yellowish tint to its light. Let's hope this Martian dust storm ends soon, because Mars is currently at its closest to the Earth in 15 years. And it will not be this near again until the year 2035. The next rover to Mars will be launched in 2020. Just approved in May to fly along with this rover is the Mars helicopter. This double-rotor test-of-concept device will fly ahead of the rover, imaging the upcoming terrain, and then transmit that information back to the rover. On the evening of August 24th, we'll find the moon in the central part of Capricornus, a half-goat, half-fish creature. By the 25th, the moon is back to Aquarius and reaches full the morning of August 26th. Also before sunrise on the 26th, look to the brightening dawn sky for Mercury. It will be easy to find that morning because Mercury will appear at its greatest angle from the Sun that day. Finally, on the last day of the month, about a half hour after sunset, Venus will appear close to Spica, and both will be low in the southwest, while Jupiter will be higher in that direction. I'm Hudson Valley Community College astronomer Richard Monda, reminding you to keep your eyes on the sky.